Is fiverr.com really a scam? Most pricing their gig at $5, hence the name Fiverr. It's like using interns or volunteers. Some are clueless, a few are passionate but just don't have the right equipment or experience. But most are trying to figure out how to give amazing service to buyers who are also cheap, rude and don't communicate. It's like going to a good bookstore. There are lots of crappy books, but the best sellers can be alongside the bargain basement books. It's your job to look at all the books, read the summaries, look at the reviews and scan the contents a little, but don't buy the book because it's too cheap. Unless that's okay with you, you are just as guilty for looking for a cheap service from mostly skilled people and certainly can't complain when the quality isn't what you expected. Fiverr gives new sellers a little boost in the beginning to help them, but it only lasts a month or so, then it's up to the seller. The buyers who want a $5 job done come from all over the world. It gives new sellers experience with all types of people and most are honest. However, the expectations were still high from someone only paying $5. As a new seller, you will be spending hours and hours on projects which in the end netted about 0.20 cents an hour. But it helps to understand what it would take to continue this work. Sheer tenacity. After new seller skills improve and get so busy they can no longer add any new business, they'll raise prices to $10, then $20, then $30 and now start at $40. This will cause an average selling price to be about $100 per order. Some buyers will drop off at that price point, but pleasantly surprised new buyers who were professional, kind, honest and understood the creative process will keep you in business. Good sellers will have relationships with people all over the world who order over and over. After seller reaches new tier, comes a top-rated seller (TRS) badge after reaching some challenging milestones, but the most difficult will be reaching $20,000 of sales. Even if you reach the milestones, Fiverr does not automatically give you this status. Some sellers are never granted the badge. Fiverr handpicks reviews, your private feedback, looks at your interactions and communications on all areas of the platform. You cannot be a TRS unless you earned it through hard work, late nights, working on vacation, answering inquiries in the middle of the night, and lastly, deserve it. But it doesn't stop there. You can be easily demoted if your behavior changes. Fiverr is an equal opportunity freelance site. It's up to the seller to learn and understand through research, mistakes, hard knocks, rude buyers, and spam. But the rewards are like anything else. And now you throw in COVID-19, so tens of thousands of new freelancers are now competing with proven freelancers and the search algorithms. This freaky situation caught everyone by surprise, and I think Fiverr has adjusted beautifully. In fact, what was the cheap place to go to get the job done fast is now one of the most coveted places to find work after a downsize, layoff, office or location closure. You can easily earn about $65,000 on Fiverr as a top-rated seller. You can definitely earn more, but leave some time out to travel and take lots of staycations. There are hundreds of micro lessons to learn on Fiverr before get top-rated seller levels, but it's no different than any other job. The big difference is freedom to choose this path and use all the tools that Fiverr provides for you. Those who complain that Fiverr is a scam should be ashamed. Pure and simple. Stop complaining and go pay $2,000 for your voiceover or SEO or website or YouTube videos or whatever. The only scam from my experience is their affiliate program. You can refer all of the Earth's population. Don't expect a penny from Fiverr. Yes, I used Fiverr to produce this video. Simply put, I do not have the expertise, patience nor time to produce this video myself. Thanks to Irfan for producing this project. You can find a link to his Fiverr gig in the description box. Leave a like or dislike with comment about this video Irfan produced, who at the age of 17 does a fantastic work with all my projects. Thanks for watching. Catch you all on the next video.